Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to rasterize a layer in Photoshop. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To rasterize a layer in Photoshop, first make sure you have the layer you want to rasterize selected in the Layers panel in the bottom right. It should be a lighter grey if it is selected. All you need to do now is go to where it says Layer at the top and then hover over Rasterize and then click on Layer. You can also rasterize a layer by right-clicking on that layer in the Layers panel and then by selecting Rasterize on the list. And so that is how to rasterize a layer in Photoshop. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.